What is up, everybody? It is me, Steve Pax, and today is August 30th, 2015, and it is 10:07 a.m. and I've been up since 7:30. I look very tired. Today we picked up something very nice. The first game of the season, the first Toys to Life game this season. Disney Infinity 3.0. This game looks amazing. Here's a side, everything it comes with. This starter pack includes the video game, the base, Anakin and Osho Tonto figures, one webcode card, and one Twilight of the Republican game playset piece. And here's a closer look at the figures. And here's a look at the back. Here's a look at the other side. Expand your gameplay adventures. I'm getting this starter pack soon. I'm getting these soon too. And I have a couple more characters over here. I'm going to show you a couple of them. I have Disgust. I have Korra. I'm going to show you one more. To go in the playset, I have Obi-Wan Kenobi. So, let's crack this starter pack open. So, this is the 3.0. I'm very excited for this game. I do like Star Wars a lot. So, it was fun going to Toys R Us, meeting some people, and people saving stuff for other people. So when you crack open the starter pack, this is what you see. 2 plastic boxes. So first let's pull out the figures. Put this box to the side. And let's see the figures. So here are the figures. First let's pull out the Twilight of the Republican playset. And here it is. Has 2 lightsabers. Figure out how to hold it. It's a pretty cool playset. Oh, my hands are all sticky. Open up that paper. Next, we're gonna pull out Anakin Skywalker. Let's take this plastic out and open this. Yeah. This gear is kind of wobbly, so let's just take this girl out. These characters are... Well, here's the webcode card. Twilight of the Republican. And on the back... I'm trying to take these guys out. Okay, so here's Anakin. His base is cool. Blue lightsabers that lit up? Nope. So put these 2 over there. And Osha. Here she is. 2 green lightsabers. 360 around. Alright, so you can't play without the game. So that was the figure. So next, this should be something else. So here's the 3.0 game. Pretty cool. This to the side. And then the 3.0 portal. To bring figures to life. So let's take this out of the paper. And you put the figures on here. So here's everything the starter pack contains. And I I will see you guys later. Comment what your favorite Star Wars character is, and I will read them. Peace out, guys.